Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can add a simple outline to a sticker in Canva. I have these two stickers which actually just an object coming from the graphics element. So in Canva, there are graphics, photos, videos, audio, shapes, etc. And graphics is actually a vector-based object, meaning that you can enlarge the image and it won't be pixelated the same way like JPEG or PNG do. So that's a basic of a vector object. And now I want to add an outline to this particular sticker. So this sticker has outline, but this picture of a bee doesn't have an outline. And if you look closely, the sky is blue, and also the wings of this bee is also kind of blue, and that's why it's not very visible. And one way to make it visible is to add some outline to it. So click on the object, go to edit, click shadows and select outline, and then here you can adjust the intensity, or sorry, the size or the thickness of the outline. Yes, I'm going to make it to be 40, and you can select the color. By default it uses black, but of course you can always choose a different color. And lastly, there is an intensity option which corresponds to the transparency level of the outline. You can make it almost invisible or you can make it fully visible. And other than that, that's basically it. And now you can see the wings are much more prominent. At least it gives a separation between the object and the background. So that's how you can add a simple outline to a sticker in Canva.